is lesson 78 in Saxon's Algebra 1/2 second edition. And this lesson is on inserting parentheses and order of addition. So when we have a list of numbers from left to right, and they're signed numbers, meaning negatives and positives, sometimes it's helpful to insert parentheses and their plus or minus sign within the parentheses of each individual number, and then put plus signs between each one to show that we are adding. For instance, in this example we have -2, +3, -5, and +7. So if we put parentheses around each separate one, we have -2 in parentheses plus +3 plus -5 plus +7. Now we simply add from left to right. -2 plus +3 is 1. And then if I continue on, 1 plus -5 is -4. And -4 plus +7 is +3. This just really helps us to keep from getting our signs mixed up. Okay, let's do this one. -3, -2, -6, +2, -7. So we're going to insert the parentheses and the plus signs. We have -3 plus -2 plus -6 plus +2 plus -7. And now we add, simply going from left to right. -5, because -3 plus -2 is -5. Then we add that to -6, we get -11. We add that to +2, we get -9. And when we add -9 to -7, we get -16. Very, very simple. Alright, order of addition. Numbers that are enclosed in parentheses can be added in any order. Sometimes people begin by adding the positive numbers and then add all the negative numbers together and then add the two sums. So here we've got -3, -2, +3, -4, and +5. So we have 3 negative numbers and 2 positive numbers. So if I add the negatives together, -3 plus -2 plus -4, I'm going to get a sum of -9. When I add my two positive numbers, +3 and +5, I'm going to get +8. -9 plus +8 leaves me with -1. So let's do our practice problems. In A, we're going to rewrite this, putting everything in parentheses with plus signs in the middle. Alright, and then we're going to add from left to right. -4 plus +6 is +2. And +2 plus -1 is +1. And +1 plus +7 is +8. +8 plus -3 is +5. And +5 plus +2 is +7. Now this one we're going to do the other way. We're going to add our negatives together and our positives together and then add the two sums. So in this one we have -2 plus -4 plus -3. And then we're going to have plus +2 plus +3 plus +2. Doesn't look like a 2, does it? Plus positive 4. Put the 4 there. Alright, so negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6 plus negative 6 is negative 9. And then 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 4 is 11. And 9 plus positive 11 is positive 2. Good job. Good lesson. I'll see you next time for lesson 79.